Hi, in this lesson we'll install Java on Windows operating system. So before installing Java, open a command prompt and type the following commands. Command prompt and type Java or Java C. If you see the following information, that means Java is not installed on the machine. Step is to download Java. Open a web browser, Firefox browser, and navigate to oracle.com and search for Java download. Pick the latest version and choose the Windows operating system. Click on Windows. Download the 64-bit installer. Click on the download thing to download the installer. Step is to install Java. Locate the installer on the hard disk and double click on the exe file. To launch the setup screen, click on next button. This is the location where the Java will be installed on the computer. Click on the next location. If you want, you can change the install location. However, it is recommended to install the application in the default path. Click on the next button. This will copy all the registered necessary files onto your computer. Then click on the close button. Relaunch the command prompt and verify the installation. Enter the command Java. You should be able to see the command line options and command line flags. That's it. Successfully installed on your computer. If you want, you can delete the JDK installer.